Look, they say they sold out them chicken sandwiches. They say they sold out. Damn, y'all got them motherfuckers? Damn, nigga, there's 2 girls right here. They got it. What the fuck? I don't even give a fuck. Right now, give me the fucking chicken sandwich.
You know this world is over, man, when you risking your life for a Popeye's chicken sandwich, bro. You risking your freedom. Like, you just... Over a chicken sandwich, my nigga? Are you serious? A chicken sandwich. Desperate measures, dog. A chicken sandwich, my nigga. That's serious. Like, you got to be a special type of stupid to record yourself, though.